So now let's get started. With social media, what I see a lot of businesses do and the mistake they make is that they will treat social media just like any other form of marketing. They'll just go directly into selling. They'll go to the market and say, hey, I have this great product. Please buy it from me. This is awesome. It's the best in the industry. Now, that doesn't work with social media. And in this course, I'm going to teach you the 4 steps to social selling. The first step is social listening, and we'll have a lecture about that. The next step is social influencing. After that, there's social networking, and then there's social selling. One thing to note from everything I stated there, all 4 of those stages are verbs. In other words, you're doing something at each stage. And this is very important. And when you understand where each of these stages are relevant to your business, and if you understand how to use it, then you'll be able to get your return on investment from your social media platforms. So let me share a little bit of success that I've had with social selling. I'm a published author. I mentioned that earlier. My book is Supersize Your Business. And one of the first things that I did before my book got launched is to share it on social media. Now, when I shared it on social media, I didn't ask anyone to buy the book. I just let them know that it was coming. I took a picture of the cover of my book and I shared it with everyone in my network. And with the following months, everyone was excited about this book that was coming, to the point where when it was finally launched, there was a lot of people at my book launch. There was a lot of people who were looking to buy the book from me. So that is an example as to how I use social media to promote my book. And then what that's done for me is now I'm in a position where I have a steady flow of customers who will reach out to me, potential customers, I correct myself. I have a steady flow of prospective customers who contact me every week asking me to help them with their business. And that's the result of how I use social media. So you heard my story. Now let me share how this has benefited one of my clients. So I have a client, her name is Rina Zaharov. And when we originally met, she shared her goal of wanting to brand herself and to have a strong following that can help her to build her network marketing business. Now, the challenge with where she was is she was within an organization before, and in that organization, she was branded with the company, but she wanted to build an independent brand. So using my strategies, social media strategies, email marketing strategies as well, and also a content strategy. So it's a little bit out of the scope of this course, but an array of different strategies, including social media, we were able to have her not just have a successful network marketing company, but also a consulting company that helps other network marketers to build their business.